there, and there. These three words are homophones. They're pronounced the same, but they have different meanings. Let's go through them one at a time. T-H-E-I-R, there. Let's look at how there is used in different sentences. Everyone shared their ideas during the meeting. Their parents are going on a trip next week. The students left their books in the classroom. Notice the word directly after there is a noun. There shows possession of that noun. For example, in the first sentence, there shows that the ideas belong to everyone. In the next sentence, there shows that the parents belong to someone, though in this case they aren't stated. And in the third sentence, there shows that the books belong to the students. Now onto the next there, T-H-E-R-E. Let's go through 3 sentences with there. Why is she standing over there? There is a cat stuck in the tree. There is not much time left. The word there shows a place, a presence, or an existence. In our first sentence, it's showing a place where there points to a specific location where she is standing. In the second and third sentences, there is showing a presence, an existence. There shows the presence of a cat in a specific location in this sentence. And there shows the existence of the time that is left in this sentence. The word there is often used to introduce a subject, as it is doing in these 2 sentences, cat and time. The next there, T-H-E-Y''re. Let's go through a few sentences that use there. They're going to the park this afternoon. They're not coming to the party. It looks like they're happy with their results. The first thing to note is that there is a contraction of they are. We use it to show that they are doing, feeling, or being something in the present. For example, they are going to the park. They are not coming to the party. It looks like they are happy. Write 3 sentences, one using there, one using there, and one using there. Leave your sentences in the comments with the words left out, and let others work out which one fits. EasyTeaching.net